It is Monday afternoon. It's like, what, Trey, 4:30?
It is
almost
five after 5.
It's 5 after 5. We're late, but we're going to slip into the food plot and see if we can't stick it over to this afternoon. Last night, I had an opportunity at one, but she had a yearling with her, so it's not my cup of tea, but I guess let's see if we can't go get it done.
Let's go.
Even a squirrel. It's gonna take us another 30 minutes to get down, so sorry it wasn't more interesting. We'll see you on the next one.
Who are we missing this morning?
Oh, Big Easy.
He decided to sleep in, didn't he?
He did.
Well, it's more for us, isn't it?
That's right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Got settled in the tree. It's a very, very quiet morning this morning. Overcast. It's a little cool, might rain. Like I said earlier, we're back in the same tree. I missed them 2 does last Saturday, hoping to get some revenge. Got there. We're supposed to move right out of here. Thank goodness. I was really hoping we weren't going to get rained out. As I said, it's a good morning. It's cool. Deer obviously moved in, so are the turkeys. But we're hoping if this rain moves out, it might cool it off another degree or 2 and keep these deer moving. So I'm going to try to shoot for a double this morning. Hopefully I can get one on the ground and let Trent have an opportunity. I was supposed to be behind the camera this morning, but Trent was nice enough to let me back the driver's seat since I have unfinished business up here from last weekend. So we're going to hang out, hang around and see what happens. Well, as y'all can hear, the rain has finally moved in. I think moved in for good. It's raining pretty good. Camera gear and stuff's starting to get wet, so we're going to ease on out. Alright guys, I'm in here by myself. I am hunting the food plot again. At least I'm going to give it a try. Check my camera. And they've been in it every single afternoon. They've been kicking my butt already this year, and it shouldn't be happening, so we're going to get in here. I got in here a little bit earlier today. We're trying to slip in and get ready because they're going to come around 7 o'clock if they do come. So. Well, the landowner decided to bush hog today, and he's bush hogging about 100 yards from where I'm sitting. So it's either gonna work or it's not. It's just the cards I'm dealt. Maybe it won't bother them. They've been coming in late. It's only 5 o'clock, so maybe it'll settle back down for long, and maybe they'll be comfortable enough to come back in here. I guess we'll see. I finally knocked one down. That was freaking awesome. The camera light's terrible, but I still have 5 minutes of shooting light left legally. And I just freaking closed the mud. That was freaking awesome. That's what I'm freaking talking about, dude. That's what I'm freaking talking about. That first shot was high because she ducked. The second shot, I had to put in her. I don't like one suffering, but she's expired. First one down, baby. That's what the body. That was freaking awesome. I couldn't be more happier. There's all the stuff that's happened today. It finally worked. Between the bush hogs and the dirt bikes and blowing the leaves and everything else, it finally happened. If I had service, I'd be calling Trey and Ethan, but I don't have service right now, so I'm about to get down,
just gain my composure and drop it down a little bit. I just freaking got that son of a gun. I don't care who you are. It might just be a doe. But I'm telling you what, it never gets old. It never gets freaking old. God almighty. Boy, I'm pumped. It's like I just drank freaking 5 Red Bulls and hit some freaking workout salts. I am fired up. Golly. I need to calm down, gain my composure. People on YouTube are gonna think I'm crazy, but you know what, it's okay. This is what it's all about, and the day that it dies, the passion dies, I will quit. But that's no time soon, because I just freaking not want to. Yes. Alright, let me get down, and then I'll come back with y'all. Well, there she is. Good old mature doe in North Georgia. Oh my gosh. I couldn't be more pumped, truth be known. She didn't go anywhere, but I did shoot her in the spine on accident. I don't ever want to do that to an animal. But as y'all seen, I put one in her just as fast as I stuck the first one in her. But I got to make some calls. I'm gonna call Trey and Ethan and the old lady, and I'll get back with y'all here in just a minute. Well, I did it. I ended up dragging Trey in here and told him that I needed help to find her. But y'all seen the video, I didn't need much help. Pretty excited, starting off the year right. As soon as I got out of the woods and got service, I called everybody I knew. You know, once you lose a passion for something like this, you might as well go ahead and quit. I think all of ours is safe to say is going to last for years and years.
Oh, look, brought the tracking crew out here tonight
We got the tracking crew
to help us. There ain't much tracking needs to be done though.
One thing I am gonna say though is I've been using this new product called Camo Dust, and I'm not one to believe in, you know, scent killers or anything like that. I'm all based off of wind. I'm real particular with my winds, but that makes the 6th or 7th deer since I've been using this stuff come down. They've came downwind and not even known I'm there. The deer that came out this afternoon were not supposed to come out where they came from, and of course that's the first thing they did was come out the way they're not supposed to. And I lathered on that Camo Dust once I got in the tree, and they don't even know I'm there. I mean, y'all need to try it out. We're not sponsored by them. I don't even know the owner. I seen the product and wanted to try it, and I am a true believer of it. But I guess we need to get her out of here since it's a little warm.
Yes, sir. It's a little warm, but man, that's awesome. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks, man.